I haven't seen a company do it like this in a long time. I feel like everything is so redundant, everything is the same. They're afraid to come out of the box. And when it comes to this house, they have no fear in coming out of the box. They have no fear with not being mass appealing. The ingredients they use, the way the fragrance is even blended, it's just so unique, but it's just something else incorporated that just makes it so lovely. So yes, absolutely gorgeous. The crystals, they've added crystals where the name is engraved. This is something that I can never throw away. Even when it's to get empty, I don't see how this artwork alone, like this plaque alone, because it is a plaque, I can't see myself throwing it away. Bottle design, 10 out of 10. And I even want to talk about the box. Create a fragrance. I don't see it any other way. I don't see me doing it any other way. I love the fact that it has its own bed. It has its own little cushion here. Silky type of texture, quite strong to hold the fragrance. And I love the fact that all the details on every box is listed here. So in this fragrance, there's vanilla, there's raspberry, there's bergamot, there's pink pepper. I have to just keep emphasizing the quality of this fragrance is next to none. The atomizer alone, immediately when I spray it, I get the grapefruit. Right after that, it just settles into this like amazing wood.